Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In today's video we are going to see how you can make a simple calculator in Firebase Studio. Well, it is a quite simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you'd have to do is open any kind of browser on your PC. I'm going to use Google Chrome in here. So after opening the browser, what you're going to do is go to the search bar and start typing firebase.studio. And after you have typed that down, now all you have to do is tap on the enter button on your keyboard, and this will take you to the official website of Firebase Studio. And in here you can see the option of get started right here. Simply just click on it in order to log in with your Google account, and like this you have now successfully been logged into Firebase Studio. And all you have to do is write down the prompt in order to generate a simple calculator. You can generate your prompt according to your need to make a simple basic calculator, for which you can use AI tools like ChatGPT or DeepSeek, which will be a great help in order to create such prompt. I'm going to write a prompt according to my need of calculator, which will be just like this one. You can see right here. This is my prompt, and after you are satisfied with the prompt you have written, you can tap on this option, prototype with AI right here, and this will give you a prototype of your calculator. And like this, here you can see overall plan of your prototype is done, and now all you have to do is click on this option, prototype this app. So after clicking on it, now the process of generating your app has now begun, and within few minutes your app will be successfully generated, but it will take some time. And like this, here you can see now your calculator is almost completed, and just like this, here you can see your calculator has been completed. And in here you can see this option, edit the code. If you want to edit the code, you can simply just click on it and edit the code of your calculator app. And in here you can also see the option of describe any changes. If you want any kind of change in this application, you can click on it and then submit it. Here you can simply just type in the number that you want to calculate, and you can also see there is the option of different calculations, and in here there is the option of another number, and you can click on this option calculate, and you can see this is the result. And if you want to publish this calculator, you can also click on this option publish. And like this, you can generate a simple calculator using Firebase Studio. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.